What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing what's inside my baseball bag. First, my baseball bag is a Marucci red baseball bag. And then my bats, here's my U-Trip. It's a Meta 1 Louisville. This is 28 inches. How many ounces? It's 16 ounces and it is a drop 12 bat. And then my USA bat is Easton Alpha. This is 27 inches, 16 ounces. It's a drop 11, 27. And then I have my cleats, they're white. These are Trout 7s. They're white and they're really dirty. Don't get white cleats. Then I have my bat donut, whatever you want to call it. It's from Easton. And then let's do my Evo Shield stuff. First I have my Evo Shield elbow guard. This I don't really wear in games. I only wear in the cages usually. And then I have my Evo Shield wrist guard. This is a lifesaver because I'm a catcher. Like infielders and catchers, you all know, getting hit right in the wrist hurts so bad. That's why I got this. And then I have an old batting glove. I don't know why I have it. Sometimes I use it when I'm catching. And then I have my batting gloves. They're Nike Alphas. And then my seeds, they're just original. Salt, I love salt ones. And like pickle, and I kind of like pickle. And then I just have a baseball in my bag. I don't know why, just in case like the clothes isn't there yet. And then I have my DG Elite Rawlings glove. This is really good. And then I have my Catcher's Mitt Highlight Series. And then I have my helmet, and that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.